Hello everyone, this is Girish and welcome to another episode of AI Data News. Today I will talk about very interesting news which came out last week. This is about Albania, which is a country. AI minister makes debut with address in parliament. So basically it is an AI generated government minister. It made its debut with an address in the Albanian parliament, and the prime minister there in presenting the bot as a symbol of his government's push towards transparency. So we will have a quick look at that and like what is AI in governance, like what are the key applications, what are the trends, what are the ethical and legal consideration and future outlook. So we will look at all those. So let's get started. So you can see this AI bot, this image, which is Albania government released, and government said the bot named Diala, which means sun in Albanian, and depicted as a woman in traditional Albanian dress will help tackle corruption. So when we talk about AI bot or avatars, the role and purpose of AI avatars in government is about transparency, efficiency, communication, neutrality, right? So that is something definitely looked out. AI for citizen services like chatbots, intelligent chatbots, basically, and automated grievance handling. AI for monitoring compliance and transparency, this comes to mind. So chatbots, obviously, government processes. AI for policy analysis and scenario planning, very critical, right? So analysis can be quickly done, scenario planning can be done using generative AI. Now let's look at what is AI in governance. Use of AI to support decision making, citizen services, and administration. Then it includes machine learning, NLP, automation, and predictive analytics. It aims to improve efficiency, transparency, and service delivery. Now, what are the key applications? Of course, citizen services. So via chatbots, virtual assistants, policy and decision support, which is data-driven insight, transparency and accountability, monitoring spending and corruption, smart governance, very critical, urban planning, traffic, health, legislative support, so drafting and reviewing legal documents. Then what are the benefits, right? So efficiency is one of the major benefits, automates routine tasks, accessibility, services at scale, it's always available. Transparency reduces favoritism and corruption. Better decisions because of data-driven insights. And of course, innovation, right? Positions governments as modern and citizen-friendly. So there are risks and challenges, which is like bias in AI systems, accountability gap. Who is responsible if something goes wrong? Cyber security threats, that's always going to be there. Public trust and acceptance, because after all, it's an AI. Digital divide, unequal access to services. Those who have mobile phones with internet only can access AI. So internet is a must for accessing AI. Now some ethical and legal consideration. Fairness, very important to prevent discrimination. Transparency, to explain the AI decisions or the decision made by the AI bot. Oversight, strong human supervision. So it has to be human feedback in loop. Human has to be involved. Legal frameworks, global standards for AI accountability that will help further adoption. Now, global trends and examples. So Albania AI Minister Diala is something which we came across last week. There is something Estonia which has done like AI strategy for public services. Then Singapore is also very ahead, AI for smart city governance. India, AI for agriculture, Aadhaar linked services, very, very critical. UAE Minister of AI leading national strategy. So all these are happening and it will be much more going on. Now, what's the future outlook? Hybrid governance. So AI for efficiency, humans for empathy. Very critical. AI-driven policy simulations and governance dashboards. AI in global collaboration for climate, trade, and security. Governance augmented by transparency and ethics. All these are fundamental towards responsible AI. Now, what are the key takeaways? So, AI in governance is not about replacing leaders, but about augmenting decision making with efficiency, transparency, and citizen empowerment. So basically, AI in governance will not replace human politicians or the leaders, as we saw, but will act as a tool of transparency, efficiency, and symbolic modernity. And so the real test will be whether governments will use AI to empower citizens or to control narratives, right? So that's going to be a future definitely augmented with AI. So that is definitely going to be there. AI powered governance, AI driven governance. It's all about leveraging AI. So I thought, let me check where is Albania. And this is a country in Southeast Europe. It is located in the Balkans on the Adriatic and Ionian seas within the Mediterranean Sea and shares land borders with, you can see here, this is Albania, this is North Macedonia, Kosovo, Montenegro, and then there is a Greece here. And this is the news about the AI ministry. You can always check. Looks very interesting. And so then basically it's all about the news which the bot came out, Diala. And so I just wanted to show you one more interesting, which is here. This is really cool. So that was a brief information or news, interesting news, I would say, wanted to share. Hope it was useful and looking forward to a few more like this. Thanks again and have a good one. Bye.